Greetings. So here is the TrackUrApp, Track University application or college application. It's an app designed to track college application, help with application all through the way, and also has a cool feature, decision ranking. We talk about it in detail. Built with bold.new. The landing screen talks about the decision where you can create your own criteria, give a weightage, and score the colleges. It's a dashboard. Sign in. Let's use a pre-populated login. So here is the dashboard. So you can see here, there are 5 applications that's being tracked. Just for demo purposes, 4 of them already complete, 100%, and VIT is in progress. So the dashboard also always gives you the status of where you are with the application. Example 2, say you could go out and say, while VIT, say you sent in counselor recommendation and you also did teacher recommendation and you did complete your honors application on 26th update. So you can keep track of what are you doing in your college application. There's a different view, app list, so you can allows you to sort based on different criteria. You want to see what's the most expensive tuition, Columbia University, and then who gave the max scholarship. That's AL. And you're also tracking the checklist on what was sent already. It also provides you the capability to export this to an Excel. This is a cool feature where you can share it with your parents, your school counselor, or even consultants that you're working with. It brings up an Excel sheet with all the key columns, cost, everything, including whether you have submitted these essays and where you stand in it. Scholarship, as I said, you can always add scholarship. It will allow you to add more than one scholarship for a college. You can also record independent scholarship. Say you received a scholarship from UMD at awarded and scholarship. And reflect in your dashboard or also in the applications. That wasn't come back. Yes, okay. I've placed view. Talked about it, scholarship. The cool tool about here is the decision ranking. Here is where you can configure your own criteria and give it a weightage. These are all the pre-populated the system, but you could go out and add anything that you want, also research opportunities or reputation. There is a weightage that's configured by the system, but you could always override it. So you can add it, or you could go out and say, edit any of those criterias, weightages, and change it. That's fine. So once you've done the criteria, then you go into the second step where you will select which of the colleges you want to rank. These would be the kind of final 3 colleges you're deciding between to go. You have an option to score each colleges for each of the criteria that you have chosen. Example, for AL, the research opportunities is great, so you want to give a score 80 out of 100. So that's it. And then your weightage on that is 20. So the weighted score would be 60. You can see the math here. So this is the unweighted score based off which AL is in number 1 and UMD is in number 2. And here is the weighted score of which still AL is number 1 and UMD is number 2. But this allows you to kind of play around and you could adjust it or add criteria as you refine. It helps you make a decision in this example. So we increase the campus life to 70. The scoring changes. Still, Ale is number one because of the weighted and unweighted, but you can play around where the weighted would make UMD as number one. So save rankings. Now, on your dashboard, you would see features about here. For now, your top ranked is Yale University based on your ranking, based on the financial, the accepted college, the cheapest is going to be Harvard. Okay, thank you.